Students, we have taken Cramer's rule in the previous lecture, and as I remember, we have also solved one problem on the Cramer's rule. Now, in this lecture, we are going to solve the second problem on the Cramer's rule, so that you can get the proper idea to how to solve the simultaneous equations by Cramer's rule. Let us say the problem is find x, y, z, or in exam they can ask like this one: solve by determinant method. Solve by determinant method. The meaning of solve by determinant method is nothing but we have to find out the value of x, y, z, or we have to solve the equations by using the Cramer's rule. Now, the problem is the equations are x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. The second equation is y plus z minus 5 equals to 0. The third one is x plus z minus 4 equals to 0. We have to solve the three equations: x plus y minus 3 equals to 0, y plus z minus 5 equals to 0, and x plus z minus 4 equals to 0. Now, if you observe these three equations, you know that the equations are not in the standard form. So first we have to write out the equations in the standard form. The standard form is x, y, z terms on the left side and the constants on the right hand side. Now, see here, the first equation is x plus y and z is missing there. Actually, in all there are three variables. आपको तीनों equations में variables दिए x, y, y, z and x, z. And the problem depends on the three variables. तीन variables कौन से हैं? एक x है, दूसरा y है, and the third one is z. So we have to write down these equations in terms of x, y, z on the left side and constants on the right hand side. Let us start this. Our first equation is x plus y. So the standard form of the equations are x x plus y. Z is missing there, so that z we can write as plus 0z minus 3 gets converted into the other side, that will be 3. X plus y plus 0z equals to 3. In the second equation, x is missing, so we can write x as 0 into x plus y plus z equals to 5. In the third equation, y is missing, so it can be written as x plus 0y plus z equals to 4. Now, the equations are in the standard form: x plus y z, x plus y plus 0z equals to 3. Here x, y, z, and here it is x, y, z. Now we have to write down the value of d. D is equals to determinant of the coefficients of x, y, z. In the first equation, here it is the coefficient is 1, 1 and 0. So this is 1, 1, 0. From the second equation, we will get the coefficients as 0, 1, 1. थर्ड इक्वेशन में कोएफिशिएंट्स है आपका x का कोएफिशिएंट 1, y का कोएफिशिएंट 0 and z का कोएफिशिएंट अगेन 1. That is the value of d. Now we have to simplify it. We can simplify it as 1 into determinant of, ये और ये छोड़ दिया, remaining is 1, 1, 0, 1 minus 1 into ये और सेकंड कॉलम के एलिमेंट्स छोड़ दिए 0, 1, 1, 1. 0 1 1 1 plus 0 into since it is 0 into अगर आपने कुछ भी लिखा तो उसका वैल्यू 0 ही आने वाला है. सो आइदर यू मे पुट द वैल्यूज हियर या उसको छोड़ दो. चलो उसका वैल्यू भी पुट करते हैं हम लोग. ये और ये गया 0 1 1 0 0 1 and 1 0. Now if we simplify it, we will get 1 into in bracket 1 into 1 that is 1 minus 1 into 0 is 0 minus 1 into in bracket 0 into 1 0 into 1 that is 0 minus 1 into 1 that is equals to 1 plus 0 into anything is 0, so this will be 0. So if we simplify it, we will get 1 into 1 is 1 minus 1 into 0 minus 1 that is equals to minus 1, or we can write 1 minus minus plus 1 which is equals to 2. That means the value of D is equals to 2. So D is equals to 2, that is the value of D. Now let us find out dx. अब dx कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? We will get the value of dx from D. Now d suffix x. The meaning of dx is the determinant without the coefficients of x. Coefficient of x है आपका 101. 101 को किससे रिप्लेस हो जाएगा? This 101, this column will be replaced by the constant 3 5 4. So this is 3 5 and 4. बाकी सेकंड और थर्ड कॉलम आपका एज इट इज रहेगा. इट विल बी 1 1 0. Third will be 0 1 and 1. अभी हम लोगों को D हर इसमें लगने वाला है, तो मैं यहाँ पे D लिख के रखता हूँ क्योंकि आपको dx dy dz में रहेगा. It is 1 1 0 0 1 1 and third one is 1 0 1. Now simplification of dx. This is equals to 3 into determinant of 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. Here it is plus, so make it minus. Minus 1 into determinant of 5 1 4 1 5 1 4 1 plus again 0 into anything that will be 0. तो उसमें मैं वैल्यू लिखता ही नहीं क्योंकि 0 इंटू कुछ भी लिखो आपका 0 ही आने वाला है. Now if you simplify it, this will be 3 into 1 into 1 that is 1 minus 1 into 0 equals to 0 minus 1 into in bracket 5 into 1 that is 5 minus 4 into 1 that is equals to 4. और ये आएगा आपका 0 because 0 into any number is equals to 0. This is equals to 3 into 1 minus 0 is 1 minus 1 into 5 minus 4 is equals to minus 1. So we get 3 into 1 that is equals to 3 minus of minus plus 1 and that is equals to sorry, just one, something is wrong there. 5 minus 4 is plus 1. 3 into 1 minus 0 is 1, that is 3 into 1, 3, minus 1, 5 minus 4 is 1, so minus 1 into plus 1, that is equals to 3 minus 1, and this is equals to again 2. So the value of dx is equals to 2. We have got d equals to, हम लोगों को मिला है d का वैल्यू 2, उसके बाद में dx is also we have got 2. Now let us find out dy. To find out the value of dy is equals to, dy means determinant without the coefficient of y, यानी आपका d में फर्स्ट कॉलम एज इट इज रहा, that is 1 0 1. Second column, that means 1 1 0, that will be replaced by the constant. Constants क्या है आपके 3 5 4. This is 3 5 and 4. Third column again remains as it is, so that will be 0 1 1. Now if we simplify it, it is equals to 1 into determinant of 5 1 4 1, 5 1 4 1, plus, sorry, second one is, this is plus, so changing the sign we get minus 3 into determinant of 0 1 1 1, 0 1 1 1, plus 0 into anything that will be 0, so there is again no need to write down the values there. So the simplification will be equals to 1 into, in bracket, 5 into 1, that is 5, minus 4 into 1 is equals to 4, minus 3 into 0 into 1, that is 0, minus 1 into 1, that is equals to 1, and this value will be equals to 0. So it is equals to 1 into 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 into 5 minus 4 equals to 1, minus 3 into 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. That means you will get 1 minus 3 minus 1, that is plus 3. So 1 plus 3 equals to 4. That means the value of dy is equals to 4. So that is our third value, that is dy equals to 4. Now we have got the value of d, then we have got the value of dx, then we have found the value of dy equals to 4. Now the last value, that is dz. dz किससे मिलने वाला है आपको? dz means the determinant without the coefficient of z, यानी d में थर्ड कॉलम आपको रिप्लेस करना है. You have to replace third column in D by the right hand side, that means the constants. So here then comes D Z. That dz is equals to determinant of फर्स्ट कॉलम आपका डी में एज इट इज रहेगा 1 0 1. सेकेंड कॉलम अगेन एज इट इज 1 1 0. थर्ड कॉलम यू हैव टू रिप्लेस बाय द कांस्टेंट्स. अगर आपको याद होगा तो कांस्टेंट्स है आपके 3 5 एंड 4. फर्स्ट कॉलम डी का एज इट इज रहा 1 0 1, सेकेंड वन इज 1 1 0 एंड थर्ड वन इज 0 1 1 1 that replaced by 3 5 4. Now again simplified, this is equals to 1 into determinant of 1 5 0 4 1 5 0 4 minus 1 into determinant of this one 0 5 1 4 0 5 1 4 plus 3 into determinant of 0 1 1 0, 0 1 and 1 0 is equals to 1 into, now simplification of 2 by 2 determinant, 1 into 4, that is 4, minus 5 into 0, any number into 0, that will be equals to 0, so this will be 0. 1 into 4 4, minus 5 into 0 is 0, minus 1 into, in bracket, 0 into 4 is 0, minus 5 into 1, that is equals to 5, plus 3 into, in bracket, 0 into 0 is 0, minus 1 into 1, that is 1. So it is equals to 1 into 4 minus 0 is 4, minus 1 into 0 minus 5 is minus 5, plus 3 into 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So we get 1 into 4 is 4, minus 1 into minus minus plus, that is 5, 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. So 5 plus 4 9, 9 minus 3, that is equals to 6. So the value of dz is equals to 6. So dz is equals to 6. Hence, therefore, x equals to dx upon d. The value of dx is 2 and d का है 2. So it is 2 by 2, which is equals to 1. Y is equals to dy upon d. The value of dy is 4. So we get 4 upon 2, that is equals to 2. And z is equals to dz upon d. The value of dz is 6. So 6 divided by 2, that is equals to 3. So the value of x is 1, y is 2 and z is 3. These are the values of x, y, z of that given simultaneous equations by using the determinants method or by using the Cramer's rule. So we have solved the two problems on the Cramer's rule, and I think your idea of how to solve the problems by the Cramer's rules or determinant method is, that will be clear. Now the last part of determinant, that is area of triangle. Area of triangle. Now to find out the area of triangle by using the determinant method. In our syllabus, whenever there is area of triangle, you have to always find out the area of triangle only by the determinant method unless and until it is mentioned by the other method. Area of triangle, to find out the area of triangle, let us consider, let A of x1 y1 B of x2 y2 and C of x3 y3 be the vertices of triangle. Be the vertices of a triangle. Be the vertices of a triangle ABC. Then area of triangle ABC is equals to half 1 by 2 into determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1. To find out the area of triangle, you have to always apply this formula. It's very simple formula. It is half area of, whenever there is area of triangle, it is always half. Half into what? Determinant. Determinant कौन सा? A of x1 y1, B of x2 y2, C of x3 y3. That means this is x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. You may consider this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3 in any order. अगर आपको 3 पॉइंट दिया है A B C और सिर्फ पॉइंट दिए हैं say 2 3, if the points are given as 2 3, second point is 3 1 and let us say 4 1, then you may consider this is A, this is B or this is C, or this is A B C or A B C according to your choice. Generally in general A यानी आपका फर्स्ट पॉइंट रहता है, B means second point and C means third point. So in this way you can find the area of triangle. Now what will happen if the area of triangle is 0? What is the meaning of area of, if what is the meaning of that area of triangle is 0? The area of triangle is 0, that means the all 3 points A B C lies on the same line. तीनों points आपके A B C जो है, if the point, let us say if I draw a straight line here, this is the first point A, this is the second point B and this is the third point C. Now since all 3 points are on the same straight line, naturally there is no area or there is no triangle. अगर तीनों पॉइंट्स आपके स्ट्रेट लाइन पे है तो ट्रायंगल ही नहीं फॉर्म होगा. ट्रायंगल फॉर्म नहीं होगा तो देयर विल बी नो, यू कैन फाइंड आउट एरिया. सो द कंडीशन इज दैट इफ द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल्स टू 0, देन द पॉइंट्स ए बी सी आर कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स. एग्जाम में आपको पूछा जा सकता है कि शो दैट द पॉइंट्स आर कोलिनियर. सो इन दैट केस if there is a question like that, prove that the points are collinear, then you have to show that the area of triangle is equals to 0. Or in short, you may write here I say this is the first point and this is the second point, that is collinear points. The 3 points A of x1 y1, B of x2 y2 and C of x3 y3 will be collinear, will be co-linear if determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 is equals to 0. सेम है. अगर यहाँ पे हाफ है, हाफ को इधर आप लेके गए तो हाफ इंटू 0 दैट विल बी 0, दैट मीन्स द रिमेनिंग इज x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So the 3 points A, B, C are collinear if determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 equals to 0. Or you can say that the 3 points are collinear if the area of that triangle ABC is equals to 0. So you have to solve the problems on the area of triangle as well as the collinear points. The formulas are very simple. और आप लोगों ने पहले ही 2 लेक्चर्स में 3x3 डिटरमिनेंट कैसे सॉल्व करने का वो देखा है. So just applying the same application, that is 3x3 determinant application, we can find the area of triangle as well as we can show that the points are collinear. Let us solve the first problem. So question is, find the area of triangle whose vertices are 4, 7. Second one is 1, 3, and the third one is 5, 1. We have to find out the area of triangle with the vertices 4, 7, 1, 3, and 5, 1. So let us start with, let A of 4, 7, then B of 1, 3. तीनों पॉइंट आपको ए बी सी कंसिडर करना है. ए फर्स्ट पॉइंट मैंने 4, 7 कंसिडर किया, बी इज सेकंड पॉइंट दैट इज 1, 3, एंड सी इज थर्ड पॉइंट दैट इज 5, 1. Either you can write A of 4, 7, B of, or you may put the 3 lines in between these 3. Now we have to find out the area of this. So first write down the formula of area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equals to, formula is half into determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Substituting the values there, it is equals to half into determinant of x1 y1. x1 y1 means the coordinates of A. तो ये this is our x1, this is our y1, 4, 7, 1. अभी x2 y2 क्या रहेगा? x2 y2 means the coordinate of point B. B के coordinates क्या है? 1, 3. So this is 1, 3, 1. x3 y3 is coordinates of point C. The coordinates of point C are 5 and 1. So this is 5, 1 and 1. Now simplified is equals to half into, now 4 into determinant of your ये गया आपका 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1. Then comes second point, that is minus 7 into determinant of 1, 1, 5, 1. ये निकल गया आपका, so remaining is 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, plus 1 into determinant of this end is gone, so 1, 3, 5, 1, 1, 3, 5, 1. Close the bracket, is equals to half into, in bracket, 4 into 3 into 1, that is 3, minus 1 into 1 is 1, minus 7 into, in bracket, 1 into 1, 1 into 1, that is 1, minus 5 into 1, that is 5, plus 1 into, in bracket, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 5 into 3, that is 15. Is equals to half into, in bracket, 4 into 3 minus 1, that is 2, minus 7 into, in bracket, 1 minus 5, 1 minus 5, that means minus 4, plus 1 into 1 minus 15, that is minus 14, is equals to half into in bracket 4 into 2, that is 8, minus 7 minus 4, that means plus 28, 1 minus 14, that is minus 14. So 28 plus 8, sorry, 28 minus 14, that is 14. 14, 28 minus 14 equals to 14. 14 plus 8, that is 22. So we get it is half into 22, or it is equals to 11 square units. So area of triangle whose vertices are 4, 7, 1, 3 and 5, 1 is equals to 11 square units. Let us solve the second problem on that area of triangle again. The problem is that show that the points eight, 1, 3 minus 4 and 2 minus 5 are collinear points. Our question is, we have to show that the points 8, 1, 3 minus 4, 2 minus 5 are collinear. The points are collinear. Now the points are collinear, that means what we have to show? That the area of triangle is equals to 0. Or we have to show that the determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1, that value is equals to 0. So let us start with the determinant. Now determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1 and x3, y3, 1. This value we have to show that is equals to 0. If the value of this determinant is equals to 0, that means the points are collinear. So let us substitute here is equals to determinant of x1, y1, 1. x1, y1, 1 means this is x1, y1. 8, 1, 1. x2, y2, 1. That is 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4, 1. And third one is x3, y3, 1. That means 2 minus 5, 1. If the value of this determinant is equals to 0, that means the points are collinear. If the value of this determinant is not equals to 0, that means the points are non-collinear. So let us verify whether the points are collinear or non-collinear. This is equals to 8 into determinant of minus 4, 1, minus 5, 1. This is second element is 1, so that is minus 1 into determinant of 3 1 3 1 2 1 plus 1 into determinant of 3 minus 4 and 2 minus 5 equals to. Now we have solved so much problems, so you can write directly also. 8 into minus 4 into 1, that is minus 4, minus 5 into 1, that is minus 5. नेहमी ब्रॅकेट पुटअप करा जर मायनस डबल मायनस साइन येत असेल तर. यहाँ पे आपका minus 4 into 1 is minus 4, minus 5 into 1, that is equals to minus 5, minus 1 into in bracket 3 into 1 3, minus 2 into 1, that is equals to 2, plus 1 into in bracket 3 into minus 5, that is minus 15, minus in bracket 2 into minus 4, that is equals to minus 8, is equals to 8 into minus 4 minus of minus, that is plus 5, minus 1 into 3 minus 2, that is 1, plus 1 into minus 15 minus of minus, that is plus 8, is equals to 8 into minus 4 plus 5, minus 4 plus 5 is equals to 1, minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1, plus 1 into minus 15 plus 8, minus 15 plus 8, that is minus 7. So it is equals to 8 into 1 is 8, minus 1, 1 into minus 7, that is minus 7. So we get 8 minus 1 minus 7, which is equals to 8 minus 8, which is equal, that is equals to 0. Now since this determinant is equals to, we have got the value of this determinant is equals to 0, therefore the points are collinear. Therefore the points are collinear. So we have found the area of triangle as well as we have shown that the points are collinear. एक ही फॉर्मूला के ऊपर है, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल बोला था, यहाँ पे आपका हाफ आएगा. कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स, दैट मीन्स you have to show that this determinant is equals to 0. We will solve one more problem on that area of triangle or collinear points. And the problem is find the value of k, find the value of k if the points two, 3, minus 1k and 5, 8 are collinear. You have to find, our problem is we have to find the value of k if the points are collinear. Now the meaning of the points are collinear, that means the value of determinant is equals to 0. लास्ट प्रॉब्लम में हमने शो किया था कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स है ये शो किया था, यानी डिटरमिनेंट का वैल्यू 0 है ये फाइंड आउट किया था। अब यहाँ पे इट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन दैट द पॉइंट्स आर कोलिनियर. Since the points are collinear, that means the value of determinant is equals to 0. You have to start with that. So I put here, since the points are collinear, therefore, or what is the condition of collinear points? Determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 is equals to 0. This is given. आपको पॉइंट्स कोलिनियर है ये दिया है, that means the value of determinant is equals to 0. Now just substitute values of x1 y1 there. Therefore we'll get determinant of x1 यानी आपका है 2 3 1. x2 y2 means minus 1k. This is x2 y2. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 and y3. So this is minus 1 k 1, and x3 y3 is 5, 8 and 1. Now we will solve it directly. अभी बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स आपका 3/3 डिटरमिन है, so that's why we will solve it directly. It is equals to 2 into k into 1, that is k, minus 8 into 1, that is equals to 8. जिन लोगों ने प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया है वो सिंपल मेथड से सॉल्व करो. जिन लोगों का प्रैक्टिस है दोज पीपल्स कैन डायरेक्टली सॉल्व इट. ये और ये निकल गया आपका. सो k into 1, that is k, minus 8 into 1, that is minus 8, minus 3 into this end is gone, so minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. I repeat again, minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1, minus 5 into 1, that is minus 5, plus 1 into this one, minus 1 into 8, see here, minus 1 into 8, that is minus 8, minus 5 into k, that is minus 5k. This value is equals to 0, so this whole value is equals to 0. Now simplify it. 2 into k, that means 2k, minus 2 into 8, that is minus 16, minus 3 into minus 1 minus 5, that is minus 6, plus 1 into minus 8, that is minus 8, 1 into minus 8 is minus 8, 1 into minus 5k, that means minus 5k is equals to 0. I repeat again, 2 into k is 2k, 2 into minus 8 is minus 16. यहाँ पे सिर्फ नंबर है, so you can solve this bracket first. minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6, so minus 3 into minus 6. यहाँ पे फिर से सिर्फ नंबर नहीं है, तो 1 into minus 8 is minus 8, 1 into minus 5k is minus 5k is equals to 0. So 2k minus 16 minus 3 into minus 6, that is plus 18, minus 8 minus 5k is equals to 0. Now 2k minus 5k, 2k minus 5k, that is equals to minus 3k, minus 16 minus 8 or minus 16 plus 18, that is equals to 2. 2 minus 8, that is equals to minus 6. I repeat again, minus 16 plus 18, ये तीनों को अगर आपने ऐड किया तो minus 16 plus 18 is 2, 2 minus 8 is equals to minus 6 is equals to 0. Shifting minus 6 on the other side, we'll get minus 3k is equals to 6, or k is equals to 6 upon minus 3. That means the value of k is equals to minus 2. So we have got the value of k if it is given that the points are collinear. So that's it for the complete determinants. I hope you have understood the determinants, complete determinants, that means the expansion of 3 by 3, Cramer's rule, area of triangle and collinear points. एक्झामसाठी फक्त एवढंच प्रिपेअर करायचं आहे, याच्या व्यतिरिक्त दुसरं काही प्रिपेअर करायचं नाही. ओके, बाय.